If you want to change the frame rate of a clip, you can do it very easily. In the project window, select the clip you want to interpret. Right-click, then Modify and select Interpret Footage. Here you see a lot of functions, but we need the frame rate. Switch the first selected function to assume the frame rate, and type a number you need. Also here you can change pixel aspect ratio and field parameter, but in most cases, you only need the frame rate. Also, you can select multiple clips in the project window and change the frame rate simultaneously. When you are done, click OK. Now you have clips with the same FPS. Also, you may know that interpreting footage is not for changing the speed duration. It's for match clips with different frame rates. That's all. Thanks for watching Premiere Pro Quick Tips.